tells us he has a lot to give, and his wife, she feels the same. They want to show their love for the Plats, but I think I got to talk to them because I want my money back. How come that nerd is so bleeding rich, as if he is the green Robin Hood? He steals from the rich and gives it away. So I'm going to talk to him because I want my money back. The bird of prey has a stone cold face. He plunge dived on our freedom of speech, and when it gets rough he tends to fly away. So I think I got to talk to him because I want my money back. That stone cold face is a smooth talker. He wants to be a prepper in a spaceship, but I think he must be a real con artist. So I'm going to talk to him because I want my money back. Over the last 20 years I got it all figured out, so I made some calls to these gentlemen, but I found out they won't talk to me. So it seems I will never get my money back.